Hello, so today I've been asked a few times to show how I cut lace. This is a wig by Wigshe. I just got it straight out of the box and you can see this needs cutting. There are different ways of doing it. I normally do it not on a mannequin, but today I'm going to do it on a mannequin. But what you will need are clips to clip back the hair so you don't cut by accident some of the hairs. Sharp scissors. Some people go for these kind of scissors or nail clippers that are, I think the main thing is that those scissors are sharp. Make sure it stays on. And I just brush the hair back and then clip it back. It's not the end of the world if you do cut some of the hairs. It's just making sure that you don't cut out anything that's, like big chunks. So I tend to use nail clippers these days, simply because it's easier. These ones are massive. So that's what I do. Don't cut in a straight line. Try and be a little bit more wavy, just so it will blend in better. So go slow, don't go straight up to the hairline. You can always cut more later. So I just go in, I don't know, maybe just about half of my finger. And in a slight, not straight line. And that's that. I normally keep this. Whatever I cut off, I keep. This is just in case for repairs or anything like that. I've never needed it, but I keep it anyway. So now let's have a look what she looks like. Now that's been cut. Looks like this. Let's put her on. Right, so now here she's on with a cut of lace. And you know what? It looks like I don't have to glue it on, which makes me so happy. I'm the kind of girl who's just like, I like to throw on my wigs and go. I don't like to faff about. And this one looks like I can just throw on and go. I'm so happy. But isn't that a gorgeous wig? As I said, I haven't done anything to it. The hairline is amazing. Wow, really pretty. Like how easy it is to move it around. Yeah, so I just need to style it now, which I'm not the best at. So I probably, when I say styling, I normally mean I'm just going to straighten it. I tried curling, it's just not for me. So watch out for that video and have a lovely day. Hope this was helpful.